How to play solo on a map. It could be on any map, so it doesn't matter. So what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to scroll down and find the map. For example, I got Team Rumble right here, red versus blue right here, 2v1 right here, 1v1 right here. I could also search up and find the map. For example, you have driving, you have 3v3s, 2v2, you have action, for example. So I'm gonna click on box PvP. Then once I click on that, instead of public, I'm gonna put on private. Then once I put on private, I'm gonna have to ready up. So each map, you're gonna have to go over here, and instead of public, it's gonna have to be private. And for the team full, it has to be no fill. For example, no fill. So I'm gonna just put private for now, and I don't have the option to no fill, but if I did have the option, I'd have put no fill. But what you have to do is once you put private, you're gonna come back over here, click on play, and you're gonna have to wait a while. And as you guys can see, it said the map's name on top. I just loaded into game and there's nobody here. The map is private. All the way to your left side, as you guys can see right here, it said private game, and there's only one person, which is me. So that's basically how you get into a game and play alone on a map in Fortnite. If this would have helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.